Now you like guys accept imeko di phila ngale nayo endinayo nayo. Yeah, and I'm happy. I'm actually happy, guys. Okay, let's turn the camera and chat. Yeah, man, I was thinking. Dear Yolanda, guys, you know the clothes that I still have, Zams, Akdal, Sasinangan. There's a washing basket, yeah. There's a washing basket and some shucks. I broke my nail going to the airport. It was so painful. Like, gently, I need to carry. So, the guys, what I'm was a scene is as in a what this is old. Late is old. So, as I seen when that thing was happening, the incident that took place was happening. That's a washing machine. That's a washing machine. As a washing basket, like literally like few clothes. And then lucky enough for my shoes, it doesn't get ending because then suka a Eastern Cape. So then it's a suitcase in and a suitcase and unpack it. I mean, you get room all. So when he was busy cutting my clothes, why I would close at least like a slang. So like Aziko never does seen because that man wanted me to live with nothing. Because even then there's no was casualist screen. I wish I can show you guys a picture, but I cannot, you know, because it is important, obviously. And I just remember the casualist screen. Like literally, have you ever seen someone like while as a team battle? Was casualist screen this no so even when I was like, okay, cool, was replacing because I was wearing 2 skirts so I'm asking, but okay, fine, until I'm replacing, it's been like 3 months now. It was 2. It's been 2 months and we're not busy anymore. Attended themed events. We are hanging, but what about me? And then he was like, oh, Anzul say every time I'm asking, Anzul say and manage it, and then I like, hey, guys, now, and I like, no, you know when you're sitting because kind of like pleasure, maybe you're driving, you're taking a long drive, and you're sitting alone, and then you realize, well, I got a guys, no, this is not it. You're talking to yourself, like I was just speaking to myself. Like 3 a.m. you wake up, you're sleeping alone, you wake up and be like, this is fun. What are you doing? Like, why are you allowing this person to do you like this? Like, babes, no. Obviously, it's quite obvious now that you're not choosing yourself. How do you expect someone else to choose yourself when you're not even choosing yourself? But if you don't choose one, it doesn't work like that. So I'm like, and also if I stay any longer here, the day I decide to actually leave, because eventually I'll have to, you know, like the day I decide to finally leave, this was saying because long move on now, so and you was finally expanding because everyone, my thing is public, everyone and born back. Shit. So I like this one. So when I left, I think I had like I had my jackets because the jackets there's this hanging nezaki wardrobe yak and this hair wardrobe yak so that's clean nezaki zanga I be lucky so that's the jackets and then the when this get is it ngoku as I'm the silk then chika zona ke ngozethunda hamba ngibe izigida zami zesilika ndafika kazi ndazihlalela ndahlala endlini, you know, ndahlala endlini ndachila for like, you know, I am here guys, well, 31st December I spent endlini dinga outside because ndiyagoa. And also guys, the people that are like, yo, you will never stop talking about the situation. Oh guys, chance I'm your teacher and I did be speculated and sit. So now it's literally like It's my time now, and I've healed. I'm ready to talk about it. So what are you gonna do about it? If you don't want to listen, you and also guys, I think we need to do a Q&A before I leave here, because in this meaning there's no noise, there's peace. So we need to do a Q&A. So tomorrow I'm gonna post a Q&A. Very same channel. I don't know if I should post to the other one. I think I should post to the other one just to, because good I like to like. So yeah guys, I don't know man if I'm gonna go eat.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoswase Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. After God of Yemen. So we all know that Annelisiwe and her ex-husband Oluthando are in the process of divorcing Kasana, and yo guys, this guy is so cruel, he's so cruel. I don't even know what to say, because how can you do like the mother of your kids like this? So Annelisiwe and Luthando were married ekshadeni kwabo. They were staying together, right okay, lo guy besmart vele ukuthi is a real cheater. He was always trending for cheating on Annelisiwe, and ugela lukahleli naye shem, and the girl decided to finally choose herself wahamba, and uthi umjida ujabule tonke impahla takhe wamthathela konke waphuma endlini anganalutho. And mind you, this person unebantwana naye, and kumthathela konke angamniki ngisho nemoto leyi-1. Ugayi unencumbethi imoto, but he couldn't even give her one car kuthi akhone maybe kuhamba makahamba nebantwana babe right. They need to use Ubers because Ugai decided to be selfish. And I'm asking myself, ukuthi bunjalo bungaka, but bubuyaphi? Like when you just wanna make umntwana bantu slima, ulukumenda slima, alukahleli nawe, ulokujola ubhadalela abantu ama-apartments bo Joburg tindlu letokudura. Like why? So people are saying they are really proud of Annelisiwe for choosing herself, even though it's hard. Yeah, it's hard, but if atikete that's good, man. I've never been proud of a stranger. We wish her kukhanya, love and light. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.